Hello friends, in today's video, we'll talk about a common problem, calcium deficiency. Nowadays, many people have to deal with calcium deficiency, and if it's not addressed, it can be very harmful to your health. So friends, in today's video, I'll tell you how we can fix this problem through our diet and natural remedies. First of all, let's understand what calcium deficiency actually is. When our body lacks calcium, it makes our bones weak. This problem usually occurs when your diet doesn't include calcium-rich foods, or when your body is unable to absorb calcium. A lack of vitamin D is also a big reason, because vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium. Symptoms of calcium deficiency. Number 1, weak bones, or bones that fracture easily. Number 2, muscle pain or cramps. Number 3, poor dental health. Number 4, fatigue and mood swing. If you're experiencing these symptoms, it's possible that you're facing calcium deficiency. Causes of calcium deficiency. Now let's talk about why calcium deficiency happens. Some common reasons include: Number 1, not including calcium-rich foods in your diet. Number 2, lack of vitamin D, which prevents proper calcium absorption. Number 3, excessive use of caffeine or alcohol. Number 4, certain medical conditions like lactose intolerance or kidney issues. Number 5, women are more affected during pregnancy or after menopause. Foods to fix calcium deficiency. Now let's talk about which foods can help overcome calcium deficiency. Make sure to include these in your daily diet. Milk and dairy products, such as yogurt and cottage cheese. Leafy green vegetables, like spinach and kale. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds and chia seeds. Fish, including sardines and salmon. Fortified foods, like calcium-fortified juices or cereals. Natural remedies and supplement. Natural remedies are also very helpful in boosting calcium levels. You can take calcium supplement, but natural methods can also be effective. Eggshell powder. Crush 1 eggshell into powder and mix it into smoothies or food. Sesame seeds. These naturally contain calcium and help strengthen your bones. Ashwagandha. It's widely used to help strengthen bones. How to absorb calcium better. Taking calcium is not enough. You also need to ensure your body can absorb it properly. Here are a few tips. Vitamin D is essential. Spend time in sunlight or take vitamin D supplement. Magnesium. It helps with calcium absorption. Eat magnesium-rich foods like nuts and spinach. Avoid too much salt and caffeine because they flush calcium out of the body. So friends, these were some simple ways through which you can fix your calcium deficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it. And if you have any questions, be sure to ask them in the comments section. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you continue receiving more health-related tips. See you in the next video.